everyone, I'm Lisa. Welcome back to my channel, Smart Learning. I'm so glad you're here to learn English with us today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our new lessons.
And I'm David. Together, we'll make English simple, clear, and fun for you.
In this video, we'll share 200 common English questions and answers that you can use in your daily life.
Let's get started and help you speak English more fluently, step by step.
What is your name?
My name is David.
How old are you?
I am 26.
Where are you from?
I am from the United States.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
Are you married?
No, I am single.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What is your hobby?
I like playing guitar.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like basketball.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Do you drink coffee or tea in the morning?
I drink coffee. How do you go to work?
I go by car.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and cheese. What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m. Do you watch TV every day?
No, I watch it sometimes. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read every night.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 4 times a week.
How often do you travel?
I travel twice a year.
Which countries have you visited?
I have visited Turkey, Germany, and the UAE.
Do you like traveling by plane?
Yes, I like it because it's fast. How do you usually travel in your city?
I usually travel by bus. Have you ever been to Paris?
No, but I want to go there. What do you need for international travel?
You need a passport and a visa. Do you prefer hotels or apartments when you travel?
I prefer hotels because they are comfortable. What is your favorite travel destination?
My favorite destination is Dubai. Do you like road trips?
Yes, I enjoy them with friends. Have you ever traveled alone?
Yes, once, and it was exciting. Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping on weekends. Where do you usually shop?
I usually shop at the mall. Do you prefer online shopping or store shopping?
I prefer online shopping because it's easy. How often do you go shopping?
I go shopping once a week. What do you usually buy?
I usually buy clothes and shoes.
Do you ask for discounts when shopping?
Sometimes, yeah.
Do you pay with cash or card?
I usually pay with my credit card. What was the last thing you bought?
I bought a new handbag. Do you like window shopping?
Yes, it's fun even if I don't buy anything. Do you make a shopping list before buying?
Yes, it helps me remember what I need. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is sushi. Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love it. How often do you eat fast food?
Once a month.
Do you prefer homemade food or restaurant food?
I prefer homemade food.
Do you eat meat?
Yes, I do. Are you vegetarian?
No, I'm not. Do you like fruits?
Yes, I like apples and bananas. What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is orange juice. Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, it's very important. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I often cook dinner. Do you often go to restaurants?
Yes, twice a week.
What is your favorite restaurant?
An Italian restaurant near my home.
Do you usually leave a tip?
Yes, around 10%.
Do you prefer eating alone or with friends?
I prefer with friends.
Do you try new foods when you travel?
Yes, I always try local dishes.
Do you order dessert? Sometimes. I like ice cream. Do you book a table in advance?
Only on weekends.
What do you usually order in a restaurant?
I usually order chicken salad.
Do you like street food?
Yes, it's cheap and tasty.
Have you ever eaten seafood?
Yes, and I really like it.
Did you go to university?
Yes, I studied engineering.
What was your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject was English.
Who was your favorite teacher?
Mr. Johnson, my math teacher.
Did you like school?
Yes, I enjoyed it.
Do you study every day?
Yes, I try to study daily.
Do you take online courses?
Yes, I take English courses online.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages, English and Spanish.
Do you want to learn a new language?
Yes, I want to learn French.
Do you read textbooks or ebooks?
I read ebooks because they are easy to carry.
Do you do your homework on time?
Yes, always.
Do you like reading in the library?
Yes, it's very quiet there.
Do you join study groups?
Sometimes, with my classmates.
Do you take notes in class?
Yes, it helps me remember.
Do you ask your teacher questions?
Yes, when I don't understand.
How do you prepare for exams?
I study 1 week before the exam.
Do you use a computer for studying?
Yes, for research and writing.
Do you like science?
Yes, I love experiments.
Do you want to be a teacher?
No, I want to be a doctor.
Do you go to school by bus?
Yes, every morning.
Do you like group projects?
Yes, because they are creative. Do you have a job?
Yes, I work in an office.
What is your job title?
I am a graphic designer.
Do you like your job?
Yes, it's interesting.
How many hours do you work a day?
I work 8 hours a day.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I don't.
Do you work full-time or part-time?
I work full-time.
Do you work from home?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you have friendly coworkers?
Yes, they're very nice.
Do you take breaks at work?
Yes, 1 in the morning and 1 in the afternoon.
Do you have a boss?
Yes, I do.
Do you want to change your job?
Maybe in the future.
What is your dream job?
My dream job is to be a writer.
Do you like working in a team?
Yes, teamwork is good.
Do you go to the office every day?
Yes, from Monday to Friday.
Do you attend meetings?
Yes, every Monday.
Do you travel for work?
Yes, sometimes abroad.
Do you get paid monthly or weekly?
Monthly.
Do you plan to start your own business?
Yes, I want to start in 2 years.
Do you get holidays?
Yes, 2 weeks a year.
Are you happy with your career?
Yes, I am.
Do you use a smartphone?
Yes, every day.
What kind of phone do you have?
I have an iPhone.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.
How many hours do you spend online daily?
Around 4 hours.
Do you shop online?
Yes, it's convenient.
Do you use a laptop or a desktop computer?
I use a laptop.
Do you watch YouTube videos?
Yes, every evening.
Do you read news on your phone?
Yes, every morning.
Do you play games on your phone?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you use email for work?
Yes, every day.
Do you use Wi-Fi at home?
Yes, I do.
Do you like online learning?
Yes, it's very helpful.
Do you make video calls?
Yes, with my family.
Do you use cloud storage?
Yes, for my documents.
Do you listen to podcasts?
Yes, I listen while walking.
Do you use a smartwatch?
No, I don't have one.
Do you download movies?
No, I stream them online.
Do you follow tech news?
Yes, on Twitter.
Do you back up your files?
Yes, once a month.
Do you think technology makes life easier?
Yes, definitely. Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, 3 times a week.
What kind of exercise do you do?
I do gym and fitness.
Do you eat healthy food?
Yes, mostly vegetables and fruits.
Do you drink enough water?
Yes, about 2 liters a day.
Do you visit the doctor often?
Only when I'm sick.
Do you take vitamins?
Yes, vitamin D and C.
Do you sleep well at night?
Yes, around 7 hours.
Do you avoid junk food?
Yes, I try to.
Do you smoke?
No, I don't smoke.
Do you drink alcohol?
No, I don't.
Do you go for a walk every day?
Yes, in the evening.
Do you like going to the gym?
Yes, twice a week.
Do you get regular health checkups?
Yes, once a year.
Do you wash your hands often?
Yes, especially before eating.
Do you avoid too much sugar?
Yes, I drink less soda.
Do you meditate?
Sometimes, to relax.
Do you eat lunch every day?
Yes, it gives me energy.
Do you get stressed easily?
Not really. I stay calm.
Do you use any health apps?
Yes, a step counter app.
Do you believe in a balanced diet?
Yes, it's very important.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my parents.
Do you have children?
No, I don't have children.
Are you close to your parents?
Yes, very close.
Do you visit your relatives often?
Yes, on weekends.
Do you help with housework?
Yes, I help my mom in the kitchen.
Do you spend time with your grandparents?
Yes, I visit them once a month.
Do you have a big family?
No, it's small.
Do you like family gatherings?
Yes, they are fun.
Do you celebrate family birthdays?
Yes, always with a cake.
Do you talk to your family every day?
Yes, we have dinner together. Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have a few close friends.
Do you trust your best friend?
Completely.
Do you go out with friends?
Yes, on Fridays.
Do you share your secrets with friends?
Only with my best friend.
Do you make new friends easily?
Yes, I am very social.
Do you believe in true love?
Yes, I do.
Do you keep in touch with old friends?
Yes, on social media.
Do you give gifts to your friends?
Yes, on special occasions.
Do you apologize when you make a mistake?
Yes, always.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, it's exciting.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, they are peaceful.
Do you like snowy weather?
Yes, it's beautiful.
What is your favorite season?
I like spring.
Do you enjoy thunderstorms?
Not really, they are loud.
Do you like sunny beaches?
Yes, I love swimming there.
Do you like hiking in the mountains?
Yes, it's very refreshing.
Do you enjoy camping?
Yes, especially in summer.
Do you watch sunsets?
Yes, every evening if I can.
Do you like starry nights?
Yes, they are amazing.
Do you care about the environment?
Yes, I try to recycle.
Do you plant trees?
Yes, sometimes in my garden.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I have a dog.
Do you like visiting national parks?
Yes, they are beautiful.
Do you pick flowers from nature?
Only if it's allowed.
Do you enjoy walking in the forest?
Yes, it's relaxing.
Do you like swimming in rivers or lakes?
Yes, during summer.
Do you care about pollution?
Yes, it's a big problem.
Do you enjoy listening to birds?
Yes, it's very peaceful.
Do you like natural scenery?
Yes, I take photos whenever I can. What do you do in your free time?
I like reading and listening to music.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the piano.
Do you watch movies often?
Yes, every weekend.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
Do you like watching TV series?
Yes, especially dramas.
Do you play video games?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you like painting or drawing?
Yes, it's very relaxing.
Do you dance?
Yes, I take dance classes.
Do you like photography?
Yes, I take photos of nature.
Do you write journals or blogs?
Yes, I write a personal blog.
Do you wake up early or late?
I wake up early.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer tea.
Do you like reading newspapers?
Yes, every morning.
Do you use public transport?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you drive a car?
Yes, I drive to work.
Do you like listening to podcasts?
Yes, I learn a lot from them.
Do you enjoy going to concerts?
Yes, I love live music.
Do you like online courses?
Yes, they are very convenient.
Do you speak more than one language?
Yes, I speak English and Spanish.
Do you want to improve your English?
Yes, that's why we practice every day.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
We hope you enjoyed this practice and found it helpful.
Keep practicing every day and your English will get better and better.
Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again in the next video.